In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a person on Telegram in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you want to stop someone from messaging you, calling you, or seeing your activity on Telegram. Whether it's spam, an unwanted contact, or someone you just do not want interacting with you anymore, blocking them is one of the fastest ways to protect your privacy. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once Telegram is open, go to your chats and find a conversation with the person you want to block. You need to open that chat first so you can access their profile settings. After the chat is open, look at the top of the conversation window and click on the person's name or their profile picture. This will bring up their profile or chat info page. On this screen, you'll see more details about the contact, along with additional options for managing the conversation. Now, in the top right corner of that profile or info view, click the three dots, also known as the More icon. This opens a drop-down menu with different actions you can take for that person. From the menu, select Block User. Telegram will usually ask you to confirm your choice before it fully blocks the contact. This is an extra safety step so you do not block someone by accident. When the confirmation prompt appears, click Confirm to finish the process. Once you do that, the person will be blocked on Telegram. That means they won't be able to send you messages, contact you, or interact with you the same way they could before. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully blocked a person on Telegram. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over your privacy and your inbox. If this tutorial was helpful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.